Now I will tell you how to calculate arithmetic mean in continuous series. So how to understand that is a continuous series? In continuous series, the class intervals will be given. That is, lower limit and upper limit will be there and frequency will be there. So when we see class intervals, we can understand this is a continuous series. Now these class intervals may be inclusive series, exclusive series or open-end series. We will discuss about that under special cases, how to calculate arithmetic mean under special cases. But here, so continuous series, I told you there will be class intervals, lower limit, upper limit will be there. Then how to calculate arithmetic mean under continuous series and what are the different methods? In continuous series, we calculate arithmetic mean by three methods. One is your direct method. The second one is again shortcut method. This is also known as assumed mean method, and the third one is your step deviation method. Step deviation method. Now we will see calculate arithmetic mean in continuous series by direct method. Here we are going to calculate arithmetic mean by direct method. So these are the marks given, that is x, this is variable. So here the marks are given in the form of class intervals 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Then here frequency is given. The number of students between 0 to 5 is 2. 2 students are there. In the same way, 8 students have secured marks between 5 and 10. 6 students have secured marks between 10 and 15. 10 students have got secured marks between 15 and 20. And 4 students have secured marks between 20 and 25. So here class intervals are there, frequency is here. Now here when we are going to calculate arithmetic mean by direct method, we have to calculate arithmetic mean, we have to calculate mean, mid value. Mid value, this is represented by small m. Then how to calculate mid value? That is, this is called L1, this is called L2. So L1 plus L2 by 2, you will get the mid value. So here it is 0 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. And here it is 5 plus 10 by 2. So this is 7.5. Then here it is 10 plus 15 by 2. That is 12.5. Then it is 15 plus 20 by 2, 17.5. Then it is 20 plus 25 by 2, 22.5. So we got the mid values. This is represented by m. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply f and m to get fm. So this is frequency, this is mid value. So we are multiplying this. 2 into 2.5 is equal to 5. 8 into 7.5. 8 into 7.5. We are getting 60. Then 6 into 12.5. 6 into 12.5. We get 75. Then 10 into 17.5, we get 175. Then 4 into 22.5, 4 into 22.5, that we are getting 90. So FM we got. Now we have to calculate sigma FM. That is, we will total this one. Then the total I am getting 405. Then the formula what I will use here for direct method is x bar is equal to sigma fm upon sigma f. So sigma fm I got 405, sigma f I need to calculate. So sigma f, that is 10, 20, 30. 30. So this is going to be 405 upon 30. So this is 13.50 marks. So this is your arithmetic mean by direct method. So here what is different is, here class intervals will be given and you have to calculate mid value or midpoint of this class intervals. Now let us see how to calculate arithmetic mean by assumed mean method. So here we have taken the marks, that is class intervals, they are given in class intervals. Number of students is given, that is frequency. Then mid value we have calculated in the previous question also. We have calculated. So this is the mid value. Then what extra I did here is I calculated D. D is equal to, here the formula will change, that is m minus a. Here assumed mean we will take from mid values, not from x, because x is a given in class intervals. You cannot calculate any value from here. You have to calculate, you have to assume an assumed mean from m only. So here D is equal to m minus a. So that also I calculated here. Here D is 2.5 minus 12.5. We got 10. Then 7.5 minus 12.5 minus 5. Then 12.5 minus 12.5 is 0. 17.5 minus 12.5 is 5. 22.5 minus 12.5 is 10. Okay. So these two are the negative values and these two are the positive values. So now we have, what we have to do is we have to calculate f into d. We require fd, that is f into d. So this is your frequency and this is your deviation. So what we will do is 2 into 10, that is minus 10, is equal to minus 20. Then 8 into minus 5, 8 5 is 40, that is minus 40. Then 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Then 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So here we got, okay, fd. Now we will calculate sigma fd. Sigma fd. Here the negative values, understand, these two I am adding, that is I am getting minus 60. These two I am adding, that is I am getting 90. So this is 90 minus 60 is 30. So I will get the difference as 30. Sigma fd is 30. Sigma f is your 30. So what I have to do is I have to apply the formula on all the values I got. Here bar x is equal to a plus sigma fd upon sigma f. So this is a. A is our assumed mean is 12.5. So that is 12.5 plus sigma fd, that is 30 upon sigma f is also 30. So I am getting 12.5 plus 1 is equal to 13.5 marks. So our x bar, that is mean, is by assumed mean method is 13.5 marks. Now I will tell you how to calculate arithmetic mean by step deviation method in continuous series. So I am taking the previous question only. Here up till here you have understood. Here a variable is given, class interval is given, frequency is given. We have calculated the mid value, that is the midpoint, that is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. These things we have done in previous question also by previous method, that is assumed mean method also. So here after calculating the mid value, what we have to do is we have to take one assumed mean to calculate D. So here the assumed mean, let it be 12.5. I am taking this as assumed mean. Here the important thing what you have to note is, here we are calculating assumed mean from midpoints or mid values, not from x. Here x is a continuous series. It is not possible to take any mid value here. Here we are calculating mid value from m. Now D is equal to m minus a. The formula changes here. D is equal to m minus a. So here it will be 2.5 minus 12.5 is equal to minus 10.5. Then 7.5 minus 12.5 is minus 5. Here we will get 10. Then this is minus 5. Then here it is 12.5 minus 12.5 will be 0. Then here it is 17.5 minus 12.5 is 5. Then 22.5 minus 12.5 will be 10 is equal to 10. So we have calculated D. So what is the formula of D here? That is M minus A. M means that is mid value and A is assumed mean, what we have selected from M only. You can assume any value here. Then after calculating D, we have to calculate D dash. D dash is equal to D upon C, or we can say M minus A by C, or you can do as M minus A upon C also. So C is the common factor. Here what I will take C, here 10, 5, 5, 10. So definitely 5 is the common factor here. So C I am taking as 5. So D upon 5 minus 10 upon 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 upon 5 is minus 1. 0 upon 5 is 0. Then 5 upon 5 is 1. And 10 upon 5 is 2. After calculating D dash, what we have to do is we have to calculate F D dash. F D dash means frequency into D dash. So your frequency is here, okay, this is your frequency and this is your D dash. So that will be 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Then 8 into minus 1, 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. Then 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 10 into 1 is equal to 10, and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So I got sigma F D dash, F D dash I got. Now I will calculate sigma F D dash. So total this you will get sigma F D dash. So that will be minus negative values are minus 12 and this is 18. So 18 minus 12, so that is going to be 6. So sigma F D dash is equal to 6. Sigma F is equal to 30. So now we will use the formula. That is X bar is equal to A plus sigma F D dash upon sigma F into C. That will be A is 12.5 plus sigma F D dash is 6 upon sigma F is 30 into C is your common factor is 5. So that is 5. This is going to be 12.5 plus 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 upon 30. This is going to be 12.5 plus 1 is equal to 13.5 marks. So we got the arithmetic mean by step deviation method.